The affordable housing crisis is escalating.
As these protections begin to expire, we're going to see significant amounts of displacement, and Central Oregon will be at some of the greatest risk.
Safe harbor protections for renters put in place during the COVID-19 pandemic are expiring in Oregon.
There were several measures that were taken during the COVID pandemic designed to slow the process down sufficiently such that a tenant had some hope of accessing translation services, legal assistance, other social services, rent assistance in time that they could avoid displacement from their housing.
And there's more. Renters had 10 days after receiving a non-payment eviction notice to find help in avoiding an eviction filing. This grace period is now shortening to just 72 hours. Safe harbor periods that protected a tenant's housing stability while waiting for a rental assistance application to be processed are being done away with entirely. These protections are all ending as of October 1st. Senator Ron Wyden, speaking in Bend about affordable housing, had this to say when asked about the relief ending.
We're looking at ways to get additional help for the renters. I mean, we just have so many renters hurting, and in the Senate Banking Committee, chaired by Senator Brown, he and I are talking about ways to see if we can get additional help for the renters.
Central Oregon is especially vulnerable with one of the hottest housing markets in the state, low rental vacancies, and rare affordable housing.
So tenants are in extra trouble if they are faced with an eviction, because if they are displaced, the chances of their finding a place that is affordable for themselves and their families within the timelines that the court now provides are extremely low.
The Oregon Law Center says evictions skyrocketed in August with nearly 2,000 eviction filings, a number well above what was reported prior to the pandemic. In Bend, Colby Enabrad, Central Oregon Daily News.